Hello children, welcome to my channel Kids Ocean, an ocean of knowledge. Today in English of Standard 4th, let us learn a new poem. The name of the poem is The Elf Singing. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. The Elf Singing, written by William Ellingham. Children, William Ellingham was an Irish poet, diarist and an editor. He wrote several volumes of lyric verses and his poem The Fairies was much anthologized. But he is better known for his posthumously published diary in which he records his lively encounters with Tennyson, Carlyle and other writers and artists. Now let us know the meaning of the poem The Elf Singing. An elf sat on a twig. Dear children, the meaning of the word elf means an imaginary creature who is having magical powers, and he was sitting on a twig. Twig means a small thin stem of wood that grows from a branch on a tree. He was not very big, means he was not so big in height. He was small. He sang a little song. He did not think it wrong. Means he was singing a song and he is thinking that it is not wrong. But he was on a wizard's ground. A wizard means a man with magical powers who hated all sweet sound. This wizard hate all sweet songs. Means sweet sounds means he don't like sweet songs or sweet sound. Elf, elf, take care of yourself. He is coming behind you to seize you and bind you and stifle your song. Here the poet is warning the elf to take care of himself because the wizard is coming behind him and the wizard wants to seize him. Seize means, children, to take hold of somebody or something, and he wants to bind him also. Your bind means to tight tightly, and he wants to stifle his song. Stifle means stop something from happening because the wizard don't want to listen to his song. So the poet is warning the elf to take care of himself. The wizard, he changes his shape in crawling along an ugly old ape, a poisonous lizard. Here again, the poet is telling that the wizard is coming fast behind him and he is changing his shape. He has become an ugly old ape. Ape means, children, an animal like a monkey but without a tail. And after that, he again changed into an poisonous lizard, a spotted spider, a wormy glider. The wizard is up on the bough. He will bite through your gizzard. He is close to you now. Now in this stanza, the poet again warning the elf that the wizard is coming so fast that now he is again changed into a spotted spider, and after that he has changed into a wormy glider. Children, wormy glider means the worm which can fly. He is up on the bough. Bough means a main branch on a tree. Now he is sitting on a main branch on a tree and he wants to bite through your gizzard. Gizzard means a part of a bird's stomach that he wants to bite you. is close to you. Now he is coming very close to you. Now take care of yourself. He is behind you. The elf went on with his song. It grew more clear and strong. It lifted him into air. He floated singing away with rainbows in his hair. Now the poet is saying that the elf was enjoying the song, and this time his song was more clear and very strong. He is flowing with the wind. He is enjoying the song, and he is flying in the sky with the rainbows in his hair. That means the elf was very happy, and he was continuously singing that song without any fear of the wizard. While the wizard worm from his creep made a sudden leap, fell down into a hole, and ere his magic word he could say was eaten up by a mole. In this stanza, the poet is saying that now the wizard worm, which was creeping means children to move forward very quietly and slowly, suddenly leap means to jump high. Suddenly the wizard worm jumped high and fell down into a hole, and before he could say any magic word, before he could speak, he was eaten up by a mole. Mole means a small dark furry animal. So in this way, finally the wizard, which was in the shape of a wizard worm, was eaten up by a mole. So in this way, the wicked wizard tried his level best to stop the elf from singing a sweet song, but was failed. He tried very oftenly to frighten the elf by changing himself into different ugly shapes, but finally he was eaten up by a mole. Thank you.